Did you know that 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Even worse, most don't realize their daily habits are sabotaging their financial freedom. Welcome back to Grow Money with Ellen. Today we're exposing 5 common money habits that keep you poor and how to fix them. Let's dive in. Habit number 1, living paycheck to paycheck without a budget. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't just stressful, it's a trap. If your income disappears tomorrow, how long could you survive? The fix? Start budgeting. Apps like Mint or You Need a Budget track every dollar. Allocate 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt. Small changes like meal prepping or canceling unused subscriptions add up fast. Habit number 2, ignoring high-interest debt. Credit cards and payday loans charge 20% plus interest, which snowballs faster than you think. Prioritize paying these off as soon as possible. Use the Debt Avalanche Method. Pay minimums on all debts, then throw extra cash at the highest interest debt first. Transferring balances to a 0% APR card or consolidating loans can also save thousands. Habit number 3, no emergency fund. Without an emergency fund, a flat tire or medical bill forces you into debt. Start building a $1,000 starter fund, then aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Automate transfers to a high-yield savings account, like Allie or Marcus, to earn 4 to 5% interest. Treat this fund like a do-not-touch insurance policy. Habit number 4, impulse spending. That $5 latte or Amazon deal isn't harmless. It's stealing from your future self. Use the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before buying non-essentials. Unsubscribe from marketing emails and shop with a list. Redirect saved money to investments. Remember, wealth is what you don't spend. Habit number 5, not investing early. Keeping all your money in a savings account? Inflation's eating it alive. Start investing now. Even with $100 a month in the S&P 10 years ago, you'd have over $20,000 today. Breaking these habits won't happen overnight, but consistency is key. Pick one habit to tackle this week and share your goal in the comments. We'll hold you accountable. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tips to master your money. Thanks for watching, and remember, financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a plan. See you next time.